Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So we will see like how the market performed today and how it will be performing tomorrow. So if you have seen my videos right from past 1 week, I am uploading and I will see that it is actually aligning to my support and resistance. So if anybody is following it, I hope you guys have made a good profit or like use of my videos. So if you want any more analysis, you can add in a comment section so I can upload according to the analysis. Okay, let's talk about how the market performed today. So, as I explained yesterday, right? So if you go, this is the daily chart where actually market has went above, as I clearly mentioned, right? Whenever it broke 24,346, it definitely tried to go and touch 24,533. So today it's almost trying to touch that 24,533. So whoever has taken trade about 24,335, they would have got a very good profit. So let's go to 50-minute chart and see how it market performed today. So if you see market morning only, it opened and break the means open the gap up. But after that, if you see in the 15 minutes chart, it tried to pull back and it actually took a support. And again, whenever it broke right at the 10-15 candle, when there was a big candle, if that was like a confirmation, like any time, right? Whenever there is a support and resistance in the 15 minutes chart, it is sustaining means okay, that means market will not come, so you can keep a stop loss of that candle and you can enter above this one. So if you would have entered by this time also, right, you would have got almost like what from 24,396 it went off 24,480, almost 100 points I can say. Okay, if you taken at the money, then at least you would have got a good profit, right? So you always stick to your strategy whatever you're using, and don't over trade. Okay, so that's what I always say. And I initially started to do over trade and all. Today exactly I can say that I have exactly entered the trade when this was broken actually. If you go to 5 minutes chart, right, usually I change it to 5 minutes chart. 5 minutes chart or more, if you see in the morning, right, many times it was like here this zone only, right? So after that again it went and it was a sideways. Then I never trade actually. I was waiting, right? So I usually have taken one trade at this when the support was resistance was broken, and again I have taken when it was right. So it was around 24,446 when it was actually. I have taken one more trade for the scalping kind of thing. So what can happen tomorrow, right? If you see this one, right? Currently, I am telling you again. So 24,500 will become a very good resistance. Okay, so market or Nifty will be bullish. I told you already 24,400 is actually the thing, but now this is the one more hurdle. 24,527 is the one more hurdle. If market breaks 24,500 and sustain in the 15 minutes candle, right, then we can expect that it will go and touch 24,890 in the upcoming days. So if you see in the daily candle, right, why I'm telling 24,500 is a very important is if you see multiple times it came to this range and actually it reversal happened. If you see this one on October 24th also it tried to go and it broke. Again it tried to touch 24,000. So this 24,528 or 20,500, if you see, this was a very good uh, resistance. So if tomorrow if market opens and gap up and it touching 24,500 and see any reversal, then it can possible that it can come back. Or if market want to go in the same, because market is continuously making a bigger candle every day. So if it's try to break, right, if it breaks 24,500 and sustain above in the 15 minutes candle or any according to strategy, then definitely you can take a trade, and I'm expecting it to go till 24,887. That is the first resistance. Okay, so let's go to 15 minutes candle and properly tell the support and resistance. So as I told, I'll make it like, for example, if market opens a gap up, right, and it breaks 24,500, see 9:15 to 9:30, please, even though it breaks, wait for the confirmation or wait for the sustain. If market is after 9:30 also, if it is above 24,500, then you can plan for a trade. Okay, if not, for example, what happens is usually in the market, in the first 15 minutes, there's a more volatility. It can go and after it can start reversal. So always wait. If you're a safe trader, if you're a very experienced trader, you can do according to trade strategy. But I always prefer wait for 15 minutes. After 9:30, see Whenever it breaks the 15 minutes candle, that time you can take entry, keeping the 15 minutes low as stop loss. If it is small, if it is a very big candle, then according if we can make a stop loss off of the 15 minutes candle. So because you see there is nothing, right? If you see in the left side, there is not much resistance after that. Okay, if you see this is a 124,634 is a one hurdle. After that, one more is like 47,000. Every 100 points there is some hurdle. So, but if it is coming from daily time frame, right, then definitely it can try to go and touch from the previous lows where actually the market started falling, right? So 24,900 is what the previously market started falling huge. So that is what the big resistance I can say. But intraday you can see like there are like some more resistance can come, but whenever it breaks 24,500 and wait for the confirmation, then you can take. What if like market is like flat, all right, then you will definitely wait. Whenever it breaks 24,500 you can take a trade, or wait like for example if it is trying to come for the first few minutes is it will open like somewhere like 24,400 or 450, then if you try to come, right, so you can see right 24,400 is the today's good support because that is from there where the market started reverse, so that can become a support. After that 24,342 is also a good support. If it breaks 24,342, definitely it will try to go and touch 24,100 or like 24,000 range. Okay, so that will be the support and resistance for the Nifty. Okay, and coming to Sensex is the same scenario. Okay, see Sensex and Nifty almost work in the same way. If Nifty is also going up, Nifty Sensex is definitely going up. If Sensex is going down, Nifty is also coming down. So it's a because I will tell you some other video like how both are having the weightage in each stocks, right? So because today STFC and Reliance are performing well, that's why Nifty and Sensex also performed well. And STFC has given a breakout. If it continues, then tomorrow also the chances that it can also continue. So watch Reliance and HDFC because that is having a more weightage in the Nifty and Sensex. Okay. So here also same scenario, right? So today I tried to guess. So Sensex also same thing. So if I go to 50 minutes chart, okay. So here same thing, right? So for example, if what if market is gap up, for example, then definitely it will try to go on test 24,479. That is the expectation because as I clearly told, 80,520 is the what main resistance it was having, and today it broke and went up and sustained in that range. Okay, so there is nothing idle here, so it definitely try to go on test 81,472. That is the Sensex first resistance for the tomorrow. Definitely it will try, if it start pushing, it will try to go on touch, and if you see any reversal in this range, definitely you can plan for the reversal trade. What if like for example if it opens a flat, right? So if it opens a flat and wait and see whenever it touch 80,500, then you can see any that will be a support. It can try to go back, or if it breaks 80,500, then it can try to come 79,700 range. This range, 79,700, because if you see the multiple times it comes to this range and went back, and this is where 79,000 is the way the actually market started trending upwards. So that's why we always take whenever the reversal happen, right? That is very will be a good support and resistance. Okay, so if it breaks 17,000, definitely that then it again it will become 79,300, 17,400 will be the next support. And if that also break, definitely it will go on touch 78,947. So if I intraday, you can have multiple thing, but day positionally, this is the one. So first support will be 80,523, then it will go 79,764, then it will be 878,925. What if the resistance is first resistance will be 81,478? If that also break, then it will go on big actually. Okay, so that will be the support and resistance for the Sensex. So please, what I'm saying is always wait for the first 50 minutes and see how the market is moving, because all the news whatever happened, global news, everything will be everyone want to try to take pre-market, everything the stocks everything will be moved in the first 50 minutes. So after 50 minutes, right, after 9:30 onwards, then the market actually will be settled down and we will see the direction. Many people actually will do after like 9:45 and 10 o'clock, because in the starting many like usually there was a word people will say, right, the market will be opened by a premature people and it will be closed by matured one. That means in the morning many people will try to trade based on news, that is and all. So once you get a stable market, then also you can plan according to your support and resistance. Okay, I hope you guys have learned the market insight. Okay, thank you, see you tomorrow.